Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2025. I'm still in blistering Salt Lake City, Utah. Holy cow, it's hot outside. But I'm here with Ellen from Exum Instruments, and you have this crazy instrument, GC Max Spec, correct? Or just mass spec?
It is a mass spec, yeah. So It's actually a new type of mass spec that uses laser ablation, laser ionization, or LALI. That's a patented technique that we developed specifically for ease of use for solid materials. So you don't have to digest anything in acid. You can just directly place any solid material, even a powder, into the instrument and get the full periodic table at each one of those laser spots.
So, I mean, it's very slick looking. I really like it.
Thank you.
But what sort of problems would this solve in somebody's lab? Why would somebody say, well, I do mass spec, or I do this, or I do that, or I already get my elemental information from some other technique? What is it about this that, people would say, oh, I need to buy that right now?
Right. Yeah. So really, what we're promoting here is we can help you answer what is it and where did it come from? Because again, we get that full periodic table, everything from lithium to uranium, even some of those low mass elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen that are really challenging with some other techniques. And so when you have the full periodic table, you can determine not only what is that contaminant or inclusion, but you can also determine where it came from. So, the elemental analysis can tell you what type of steel it was, for example, so that you know which tool that came off of, or how your inclusion formed, or, if you're a geoscientist and trying to understand what happened in geologic time as well.
So any new updates or new features that you have this year?
Yeah, so we have partnered with another exhibiting company here called Dragonfly, and when we do elemental mapping, you can do that in 3 dimensions, and so we use our data is exportable into their software that allows us to get some really cool 3D visualizations. So yeah, encourage you to come by the booth, or follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube, where you can see some of these really cool 3D reconstructions visualized with Dragonfly, allowing us to, again, look at all of those different elements in a 3D volume.
Groovy. So you told us that you can find us on your LinkedIn page, Exum Instruments.
That's correct.
And YouTube channel, Exum Instruments.
That's right.
And you have a web page?
Yep, www.exuminstruments.com.
Sweet. Okay, that's all we got for this time. We've got more coming up from M&M 2025, if we don't melt.